oras naman po para sa Kababayan LA. In the next 30 minutes, magsasama-sama po tayo. Today on the show, it's Talk Tuesday. We're going to be opening our phone lines. Kaya po pwede kayong tumawag at makisama sa aming usapan. We're going to be asking for questions about spirituality. We have a pastor joining us today. In fact, you've seen him before also here on this channel. And we'll introduce him to you in a little while. Also, if you have any prayer requests, kung gusto niyo pong ipagdasal kayo ng particular church na pag-usapan natin mamaya, that's also welcome. But before anything else, nako, mamayang gabi po, marami ang mapupuyat because of the veterano. Let's watch this first.
Hey, yo, there ain't no mercy, ain't no charity. They want to take me, but me, God take care of me, and never did he curse me. Don't gotta worry now, I guarantee my family, no enemy will bury me. We knew the plan by the time they arrived, prepared for the fire when the empire strike. Samurais try to expand that horizon, that's when I saw the flag from the land of the rising. Patch on their arm, shook by the blast of the bomb, now my grandma dashed to the barn. Gorillas in the jungle, be ready, everybody stand strong. Command post, sound the alarm. Yo, they wanna take me from my lady and my baby, even if the thoughts shake me, still it don't escape me. Please, pray for me to find a way to break free, and may it lead us back to safety. I'm saying like, sorry, truthfully, your guns don't move me. Catch an execution if they come close to me.
They fought alongside their American counterparts. Nakipaglaban po sila sa World War II without compensation, without recognition. And just recently, naipasa nga po yung Stimulus Act and nagkaroon sila ng konti. No, it's still not enough. We're talking about our beloved lolos, our Filipino veterans. And because we love them so much here on the show and because they are so old na hindi na po sila buong buhay na lang nila nakikipaglaban sila, now we are taking up the cudgels for them. We are fighting for them. I'm talking about our Filipino veterans. And on the phone right now is a great guy. He set up this company called Pinoy Apparel. In fact, we've had him on the show, I think once or twice. And meron silang tinatawag na the Veterano Project. This is a jacket actually that I want to get my hands on as well. Zar Javier, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Good afternoon, Janelle. Thank you for having me on the show again.
Zar, you know what? The Veterano, tell me about this.
Well, the Veterano is a follow-up to our original jacket that we came out with last year, which was the Revolt. And we spent about a year conceptualizing, designing, and finalizing this jacket. But we wanted to go something a little different in this route. We wanted to dedicate this jacket to somebody in our culture. And what better way than to do it with our Lolos who fought in World War II. So this jacket is dedicated to 250,000 Filipino-American veterans who fought side by side their American counterparts and was promised full recognition and citizenship and benefits. But in 1946, the Recession Act took that promise away. Now today, only approximately 15,000 Filipino veterans are still alive.
Right.
So.
And you know what? What I like about this is and the same goes for all your products at PinoyApparel.com. This isn't just a jacket. It's also, it teaches us about history. How did this collaboration come about?
Well, you know what? We definitely wanted to give something back to the jacket, where the Revolt was something more of meaning about our culture. We wanted to take a little step further with this veteran jacket and to go a step ahead of the Revolt. And what better way to honor the veterans? And so this is the reason why we want to do it. And even with the stimulus plan and not being enough and the delays, we wanted to give back personally to the Lolos and the veterans in World War II.
Right. A part of the proceeds will go to JFAB, Justice for Filipino American Veterans. And what I like about your stuff is you're not just, it's sort of like you're putting things there for a reason, for a story. And we were looking at the jacket earlier. There were some patches that we see in front of the jacket. What do those stand for?
Oh, well, everything on this jacket is custom made, and some of the details this is a full zip hoodie. It's made out of Wingstop camouflage, the same exact material as soldiers actually use out in the field. It's welted pockets, single puller on the hoodie, and the patches on itself are all custom patches. We have the Revolt flag, which we did for the Revolt hoodie. We have another patch that symbolizes the cutthroat Bacata, which is more of the headhunter mentality. We also have the anti-45 Colt Philippine patch, which means that a 45 Colt can't stop us. And we also have the Revolt triangle.
Looks very interesting. It comes in sizes extra small to extra large, but you only have 300 pieces?
Yeah, it actually comes in extra small all the way to triple XL.
Oh,
we only
triple
made
XL.
Yeah, so there's some Filipinos that are pretty big, so or like them loose.
And you only have 300 pieces, so this is sort of like a limited edition.
extremely limited. And
Yes.
just like at the Revolt hoodie, all 300 are gone.
And we have to stay up for this because you are going to start selling at 12 midnight tonight?
Yes, it will be available at pnoyapparel.com, pnoyapparel.com.
All right, pnoyapparel.com, and that was Czar. Javier, thank you so much for doing this for our Lolos, and more power to you.
Oh, thank you, Janelle.
Ayan, pare-pareho po tayong mapupuyat mamayang gabi dahil ako po aabangan ko din yung jacket na yan, the Veterano, pnoyapparel.com. When we return on the show, let us start talking about spirituality. Don't go away.
It's time to play You Think Your Cable is Cheaper? Bili na ng Square para makasali. Ay, kababayad mo lang ng cable bill mo? Wala